Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker JBL Charge 6. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and tap on your speaker at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So press one time at the power button at the top of the speaker to turn off it. And after that, we need to turn on it, so press again at the power button. And right now it should reconnect to this phone, so we have connection also. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So click the information icon or settings icon at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now we can see it at the device list, so just tap on it. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds until your speaker is turned off. So press and hold. Here we go. After that, we need to remove the speaker from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget and forget. Then, if you have Android, click pair new device and click one time at this power button at the top. After a factory reset, the speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on it at the device list and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!